What to do, guys? Another video. Today, gonna be installing the rear camber arms. See how they match up, just like. Let me see. I think this should say. I don't know if they left side, right side. I guess it doesn't matter. I don't know. Same. Stop cursing. Don't curse in my videos. Anyway, Bolshevik. Anyways,
bullshit.
That's how it's gonna go. It looks pretty simple, just nuts and bolts. So we're gonna go ahead and install 2 of them. We're gonna do.
It should. Hey, quote, it should be.
It should be a 10-minute job. But yeah, we're finna get started on this so we can get the alignment done. Get started on Leo's motor. What are we doing to your motor today?
Maybe the cam cradle.
Yeah, the cam cradle. I'm gonna stay after today. So let's get to work. All right. It should be a 19. So we're gonna go ahead and see if it's a 19 or not. Bomb box lock? That's not a 19. It's 17. You know, cursing.
What do you mean no cursing? Your last video was full of cursing.
I know. I want to change that. Okay.
You want to change that? Bro, that's never fun to change.
What do you mean? Alright, that's one. Got the eccentric right here. Goes nice and smooth in there. Pretty nice. We're gonna do the alignment after, so. Leave that right there. And now for this one, we'll take the big ass wheels. I don't even know if I could. Yeah, that definitely doesn't fit right there, so. Thank you very much, man. Watch where you're recording, Leo.
Huh?
Watch where you're recording. Make sure you're not recording the ground.
What's up, guys? It's me, Hassan, back with another video. Today we're gonna take off my camera.
How about you shut your mouth?
You shut up.
Ow. And make sure no cursing, alright? Alright, so we went ahead and, as you can see, took off the wheel, so it makes our jobs easier. Now we're gonna come back here, come over here, come over here, come over here, come over here. See this right here? Better not say nothing.
That's it. That's it.
That's it. Now get your ass. That was a curse word, wasn't it?
Yep,
All right,
it was.
we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh, actually, let me just make this shit easier.
Oh, no cursing. No cursing.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Already breaking your own rule.
I know, I'm sorry. Ah, come here.
I'm bad. Get the chisel. Chisel. Chisel.
Chisel, my nizzle. I don't have a chisel, Leo.
Hold it. Hold this. Hold on.
He's finna go get a chisel. It's as you can see, I don't know if you can see that in there, but it's hitting the sway bar. So that's what I tried. Oh, Brandon getting his hands on the Z.
Just like that.
Should have seen your face. Alright, so we got the new camber arm in. Basically, it wasn't really that hard. Honestly, just gotta, pry this in as best you can because it's gonna be hitting this sway bar right here. So, but besides that, it was pretty easy. So we're gonna finna do the other side and do the alignment real quick.
Hey, Jesse wants to be in the vlog.
Hey, so what's up, Jesse?
Jesse, nice to meet you.
Oh, Master Diagnostic Technician. Yes, sir, bro. Mastermind.
What you doing over there?
Gee, camber arms or camber arms. Got some new ones on there, so I can eliminate the camber on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
And they beefy.
Yes, sir. They race ones. Yeah. Yeah, and the rear ones aren't adjustable as much either. I tried adjusting them, but yeah. Honestly, the feeling in rear kind of feels a little different with the camber arms on them. A lot different, bro. I don't feel that many bumps anymore. Honestly, feels a lot better in the rear end.
Feels a lot more solid, planted.
Yeah, solid. Not as like, you know, you can definitely tell the difference on it for sure when you install these. Really feel any pulling.
For the few times I've been in here, it feels a lot smoother.
Yeah, way smoother.
Feels like it doesn't want to bounce around as much.
Yeah.
It also might be because you no longer have positive camber.
Yeah.
Rippy.
I can't do it under here, and I'm in second gear. This guy's in front of me.
Huh? Nah, I meant throw the neutral and rip it.
What do you mean throw it in neutral and rip it? What does that mean?
Bro,
How am I supposed to rip it if I'm in neutral?
No, so when my friend he used to throw it, like he used to get like to 20, throw the neutral and just fucking rip the piss out of it.
Oh, I got
That's what I meant.
Alright, we had 9%, but we got back to the shop. Overall, really enjoyed the installation and, you know, the outcome of the part. So honestly, really happy with it. And honestly, the fitment is definitely a lot better. And not only that, but no more inside wear. So shout out to Z1 for the part. I'm gonna put the link in the description, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.